Hello guys, welcome back. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Remember, this is the #1 YouTube channel for your online earning tricks and tutorials. And as usual, I do review proxy sites, anti-tech browsers, crowd funds, paying survey sites, and also provide tricks and tutorials and other tools for making your work online an easy job. So today's video, I want us to review this site code which I was testing. It's called Zoombucks. Most of you know about it. Zoombucks is a GPT site, get paid to sites. It has various ways of making online. You can do surveys, you can do offers, you can do game offers, you can you can play games and get paid, and so many other ways of making money online. So many people have been having issues with Zoombucks. They get an account, but after doing cash out, they get 90 days hold, or sometimes they get banned. But lately I did a test on Zoombucks and I withdrew the same day and I got paid. You can see my payment here, and I got paid the same day I withdrew the money. And so I thought it's useful I share what I did different that made me to be paid the same day, because most people have been asking me how I did it. So this video, it will not be long, it will just be a detailed one telling you what I did different so that I can get my cash out. So let's log into my account and then see what's up. So as usual, if you're new to Zoombucks, Zoombucks is a GPT site like Free Cash or other sites. There are so many of them. And once you create an account, first of all, they ask you to confirm your email, and they ask you to do a tour whereby and completing your profile. Your about me is the section, is the profile, and also you complete your first survey. And each task that you complete here, you get rewarded in form of Zoombuck points. Remember, 1,000 Zoombuck points is equivalent to $1, and the minimum cash out for Zoombucks is 3,000 points, which is equivalent to $3. And they offer various rewards redemption options, like you can be rewarded using these various e-gift cards here, even PayPal. They do bank transfer, Venmo, and so many other forms of rewards. So under earn, I forgot to say something. They have, once you complete your profile, you'll be getting exclusive surveys. So under exclusive surveys, these are surveys gotten from all other survey panels which are provided on Zoombucks. So they have featured offers, they have games, so many tasks you can do to get paid. Then they have offer walls. These ones, each offer wall has a unique way of making money online on it. So just click on it and look for an offer which you can be able to complete easily without any issues. Then they have survey partners. They have CPX, Bitraps, Prime Surveys, Inbrain.ai, Theorem, Sint, and your surveys. So if you're good with surveys, you can earn on surveys. And so all the various ways of making online, it depends with the person. So just choose what works for you. But this video is not about that. I want to show you what I did different. So remember, Zoombucks require a permanent number because they require a verification on each and every cash out that you do from them. Then your profile name on Zoombucks, your profile name on, let's go to settings. Your profile name on Zoombucks should be the same as the name on your PayPal account. This is because even if you want to cash out using Amazon, using bank transfer or Venmo, Zoombucks requires like a mandatory for you to link your verified PayPal. Whichever Zoombucks account you're operating, make sure you have a verified PayPal for that particular country, so that you can be able to link it under wallets here, and the name on your PayPal, on your verified PayPal account, should be the same name as on your Zoombucks profile. You see, Michael Thornton JL, and my wallet PayPal is the same name. So make sure the name on your PayPal and the name on your Zoombucks account are the same, and make sure your linked PayPal is verified, and also make sure you have a permanent number to receive a code from them once you request your payout. So if you complete your surveys or whichever form of offer you complete well and you get to 3,000 points, you can be guaranteed that once you request a cash out, you'll be paid within the same day or very, very, very fast. So that's the only thing I did different that made me to receive my cash out within the same day. You can see my cash out here. Let me show you my history. And the history here, you see the last time I worked on it was on 28 when I was testing them here. I reached the minimum cash out and I withdraw then the next day on 29th. So let me show my history here. So sort according to the rewards. So you can see my rewards. I withdrew on a Visa after linking my PayPal, verified PayPal, and make sure the name is the same as on my Zoombucks profile. I requested a virtual Visa on July 29th and I cashed out 3,000 points, which is equivalent to $3. And you can see my screenshots here. I got paid within the same day. The reason being, I did all the things that I told you I did in the previous few minutes ago. So just try doing that on your side. Make sure you have a good setup. If you have been watching my videos, you know how to do good setups on your devices, and try them out and then give me the feedback under the video description. No, under the video comment section. So I'm going to post, if you are new to Zoombucks, I'm going to post the link under the video description for registration. You can use my link or you can just register directly on their site. Whichever way works for you, it's all good. So guys, thank you for watching. Keep it locked to my next video.